Experience the charm of this exquisite home in the vibrant center of Chesapeake. Featuring an open floor plan with natural sunlight, this residence radiates warmth and hospitality. Chef's Delight Kitchen, offering 42-inch cabinetry, center island, pantry, and all-included appliances. Relax in the welcoming family room, where a cozy fireplace sets the perfect mood for gatherings or quiet evenings. Unwind in the impressive primary suite, complete with a custom walk-in closet and a spa-like ensuite showcasing a jetted tub, separate shower, and dual sinks. 3 additional spacious bedrooms provide plenty of room for family or guests. Outside offers a fully fenced backyard great for relaxation or entertaining. Equipped with a whole house backup generator for a peace of mind. Don't miss out on this.